A man married a very beautiful girl. After marriage, they were living happily. Man admired her beauty and loved her very much. But after few months, wife came to know that she was suffering from a skin disease, and because of that, gradually she will lose her beauty. Knowing this, wife started thinking to herself, what if I become ugly? My husband would start hating me. I won't be able to tolerate his hatred. Meanwhile, one day her husband had to go out of town for some work. When he was returning home after finishing his work, he met with an accident. He lost both his eyes in that accident. In spite of all this, their married life continued to progress normally. Time passed and wife completely lost her beauty due to her skin disease. She turned ugly, but her blind husband couldn't see it. So, it didn't affect their married life. He kept on loving her like always. One day, wife died. Now, husband was sad and alone. He decided to leave that city. He completed all funeral rites for his wife. Next day, when he was about to leave, his neighbor saw him and went to him and said, "How will you be able to live without support of your wife? You can't see, and your wife was always there for you to support you and help you for many years. It would be difficult for you." Husband replied, "Friend, I'm not blind. I was just pretending to be blind. Because when my wife came to know about her disease, I realized that she was bothered by it and scared. If my wife had known that I could see her ugliness, it would have hurt her more than her illness. She was a very good wife, and I just wanted to keep her happy. That's why for all these years I pretended to be blind." To be happy, sometimes we should close our eyes to shortcomings of each other. Beauty is deceptive. There are husbands who are rude to their wives and always pass negative comments either on their looks, their cooking, their way of managing household, taking care of kids, and more. All these negative comments will not bring peace in the family and also in their relationship. So accept each other as you are. Do not try to change each other. Stay positive and you will be happy always. One day that beauty will fade away. Beauty is not forever. Beauty is not important. It will fade away as you age. But a beautiful heart is most important. Here are the meanings of some of the words from the story. I hope you enjoyed learning, reading, and listening to this wonderful story. Please subscribe to the channel and share it with everyone. Thank you.